Was there an outside edge? He's backless. This one gets hold of it and the back. He's put it differently. You can play different roles. You bowl differently. There's another 115. Boy, the full toss gets met. He's a no-he as well. Dhoni's capable of...
That is tag, and that's not easy to do either. As a batsman, you're advancing down the crease at this time of the inning, put it away to the longest part of the ground. That is a really well-struck ball.
Travels the worst start for that Christian. 28, second off it. And Dhoni, might have, in that moment, got himself on a roll. Number 2, good running.
Now he's 27 balls, 23 runs, so...
You get with him. You get an enormous $100.
Here, brute force down the ground, travelling to 61 metres in.
Floated, off-spinning slow ball.
Yeah, and that's what's going to happen. Oh, that's launched. You can't get there. Big finish for India. That's 17 overs, 6 for 119. Back live, Brett Lee steaming in, another Yorker. It's a pretty good pace, 135.8. Rohit Sharma, and ball's running out. He's launched himself. The whole body was into that one. Warner's catching ability, he's outfielding, even in the ring. He's a good all-round cricketer. He bowls his leg, he's not going to bowl them too often, maybe later in his career, but his catching has been superb.
He might cue into that one. msdhoni. Look at the toe of his bat, see if he'd done any damage there.
So he's really maturing. And another walk wide, I should say.
Tribute to Matthew Wade tonight too. Played well at one stage there. We thought he could be the first Australian.
Hey, that's for sure. There is one bounce, and there should be a run out. Oh, no! We'll have to have a chat to Dinger about that one. He's given us some fodder. So Dan Christian has got one in there perfectly. Probably goes into stumps actually. Not the basic we saw. It's a bit of a contraption. Has it weighed you down too much?
Just say it again, sorry, Slats.
The earpiece you're putting on. What's the that weighed you down? Safely. There's a feeling as well. Was there an outside edge? He's backless, and it went flying out the full rifle. And he nearly collected it in the middle.
It's difficult to throw you about this far. It's just a sign of how much power Dhoni was looking to put into that shot. There was a noise in our effects microphones. So that could have been anything. Matthew Wade didn't hear the edge that Brett Lee did. But that's wrong.
It's like a hammer throw at the Olympics. After you've twisted around 3 or 4 times, just release.
Actually quite away from ball rifle. I thought it was a little closer, but that is good back 12.
That was a convincing edge again, just on that last replay we did.
This time gets hold of it, and the back is put to good use. And the crowd drop. And the final ball of the over, the final ball of Brett Lee's spell goes for a 6 with 6 for 134.
Starting to peter out now.
Start. And the men have completed their match tonight. It's going to be the Australians victorious in the opening T20 International. The first one for a year, so well played.